My good old espresso coffee maker. What does it do? It takes the water on the bottom here. See, right in there. Water goes in there. Coffee goes in here. Water boils, goes through the coffee as vapor, and then over here, comes out of there, and accumulates inside here. Okay, now, if I don't put coffee in there, what happens? Water boils, evaporates, goes through there, and condenses back in here. Now, from what I've seen, the YouTube videos of how to make distilled water, that's exactly what that assembly does, isn't it? The pan, the bowl, the lid upside down, and the ice.